Hello, my name is Barbara, and today we're going to make boot straps. Make your boots look nice. Just put them on. Just like that. You'll need three things. Jute, cost you a couple of dollars at your general store. These I take off of old purses. Recycling is always good. Beads, lots of beads. Always make sure the hole is big enough to fit the jute through, like that. You'll be beading it. So, you'll need 4 of these, depending on how thick you want it. Cut it. And then here's some more right here. You get this. And this is what you're going to do. Put it like that. And this is how you do it. Oops, 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 oops. Put it like that. Then you pull it through. Just like that. Only you're not going to do it on the pencil. You're going to do it on the belt buckle. Yes, just like that. So, we will begin. Make sure the flat side is towards that way. They're even. Make sure they're even. Gotta be even. Okay. Inwards makes them not come towards me. There's one. There's 2. Three. 4. Great. Now we will bead it. Oh no, Mr. Bill, that means I need to take it off because it didn't go in the right direction. Okay, that will happen. I think it's towards me. No? Maybe towards in. Sometimes it might take you a couple of times, depending on where you want your knots to be. I like mine in the front. And these ones just happen to turn around. I don't want that. Okay. This is fairly a short project. It's fun. Doesn't always, could be for any boot. Like I said, you measure it and determine how long you need it. 36 inches will shrink down to 15 inches. Halved, it's 18, and then after that it'll shrink to 15. So with the braids it decreases, so you need to add more if it's a bigger boot. So what you do is you just put the beads through. I usually put 2 on each side, this way it's nice and full. Looks really nice. You just keep beading. Takes a minute to get through. Just be patient and you will get it done. Okay, this one is being stubborn, so what I'll do is I'll exchange the bead. Yeah, this the bead. Yeah, sometimes you need a little bit of moisture at the ends. Guess a little bit of water would help. Down. More to go. You caught me. There. Maybe it should take you 15-20 minutes to get this done. Shouldn't take you long. But with the $2 skein of jute and a handful of beads, you can make all kinds of them. Either that or just increase it and make a belt. Make a belt. Kind of a loose belt. Retro. Yeah, that would be nice. Use your imagination. It's really easy. I like the idea of having something on my boot. And if my pants go over it, well, I'll just put it over my pants. Or wear my pants in my boot. I don't know. I'll have to see how that looks. One more. Oh, there we go. Almost done. Won't take too much longer. Okay. Now, what's going on here? We got a lump there. Yanked it and it came off. It's all good. Now let's put it back. Okay. This last one, and then we can come to almost the end of the project. A piece of jute at the end. So what you want to do is just stagger them. One up, down, there. It's up to you where you want them. Have some high, some low. This one needs another one. Okay. So we'll put this one low and this one. Oh, yeah. The more you stagger them, the more beads you'll have throughout. So you determine where you want your beads. Okay. It's all up to you. Okay, so what you do is this, you're going to have 3 on the end, 3 on the end, and 2 in the middle. It just worked out that way. But it'll be good. You'll see. So you just start braiding. Just start braiding. Straighten it out. So it'll tangle up on the bottom. It'll want to braid. You just keep it straight. And just keep braiding. You might want to spread some beads out here and there so you get them throughout. There. Almost. It doesn't have to be perfect. Unless you want perfection, then that's totally up to you. like an easy project just to get it done real quick. Something fun to do. You can give as little gifts. Maybe $5. You can make everybody a boot belt for Christmas. How many people gets to spend $5 and everybody gets a present? That's why I love arts and crafts. Okay, there it is. See? So I'm gonna do it this way. Go the other way. Just trim this first. It's kind of messy. Make it nice and even. Okay. There you go. Almost done. Not that way. That's. This is where you want me to go. There we go. See? Very chic. Very nice. Well, thank you for tuning in. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you very much. You have a very good day.